Welcome to another video. I am the Starman and I'm here in a very breezy Blackpool, and this is a bit of a follow-up on my Equinox sunset video. So here I am on the seawall here in Blackpool looking down on the beach. Look at this, doesn't it look awesome? There's quite a few people on the beach as well. It's December the 29th, a Wednesday. And I thought I'd just do this quick video for you, just to give you an idea of where the sun sets here in Blackpool at this time of year. Now we are past the solstice, that was on the 21st, but if you look over there, can you see towards the South Pier? That gives you some idea of where the sun is setting from here in Blackpool at this time of year. Okay, now we are well past the winter solstice, which was on the 21st of this month, and that's where we get the shortest days up here in the northern hemisphere, and the sun sets towards its most southerly point as well. And I just thought I'd just do this video just to give you an idea of where the sun sets here in Blackpool. If you saw my Equinox video, it probably gives you a better idea of the differences in where the sun rises and sets during the year. Okay, now the most unique thing about Blackpool Promenade is it's very, very straight, and it runs almost perfectly north to south. We're looking north towards the tower there, and now we're looking out over the Irish Sea. And if I look out about 90 degrees from Blackpool Promenade, that's due west. Yeah, pretty much due west, give and take. If you saw my Equinox video, I give you an idea of what I mean. And that's where the sun would set on the equinox, on either equinox, the spring or the autumn equinox. But now, it's midwinter now, aren't we? December. I'm looking towards the southwest there. Can you see that bright part of sky? That is where the sun sets at this time of year. So I'll just run through it with you now. So we're looking towards the southwest, and that's where the direction of the sun is and where it sets at this time of year. It's now starting to make its way north. Apparently it's not really making its way north, it's the tilt of the earth as it goes around the sun, the changing of that tilt as it goes around the sun, which makes it look as though the sun is bobbing up and down. And as we go towards the spring, it's going to set somewhere over here towards the west on the equinox, the vernal equinox. And then as we get into summer, the height of summer, June the 21st, the sun will set somewhere right up here. That's quite a difference, isn't it? So there you go, that was my little video explaining a little bit about where the sun set at this time of year from Blackpool. And I don't know where you live, but I think Blackpool is a great example to use because it's got an almost perfectly north-south running promenade, and it just allows you to see more easily the difference in where the sun sets from the height of summer to the middle of winter where we are now. And there's a lot more to it. There's a tilt of the earth, and there's also the orbit of the earth around the sun, which causes us to see it like that. I would have preferred the sun to be out so I could show you exactly where the sun was going to set, but I hope I've given you some idea of where the sun sets at this time of year. There's obviously a lot more to it than that, but anyway, I hope you liked the video, and I will see you again on the next one.